So today, you'll learn how to add text to a video in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to launch CapCut, and then from here, you want to click on Create Project. Once you've selected Create Project, you should see this project page opening up for you. So the next step is to click on Import, and then the File Explorer should be opened. From here, you want to navigate to wherever your video is and you want to select it. So let me look for my video, and then I can just click on it and then select open, and it will be added to my import page. So from here, I need to add it to my timeline. And to do that, you want to click on this plus icon on the video itself, or you can simply just drag and drop it directly onto the timeline. Once you've done that, you'll then need to select the video, and you'll need to move the timeline to the specific spot where you want the text to appear. So it can be at the beginning, it can be in the middle, it can be at the end. It's completely up to you. So I want it to appear just after the beginning. Then once you've done that, you want to come to the top and select text. And then once you've selected text, you want to click on add text, and then you should see the default option here. So click on add on this plus icon here, so add, and then you should see the text being added onto the video. So from here, if you want to customize exactly what the text is saying, come to the right hand side of the screen, select text, then basic, and then you can now erase what's currently there by clicking on this text box, erase what's currently there, and type in whatever it is you want. So type in the message or the statement that you want to give on the video. And then once you've done that, you can then go further and customize it. So this includes changing the font size by using the slider, so you can increase or decrease to your liking. You can change the font style itself by clicking on the current style and then scrolling through the list and selecting the one that suits your preferences. To test one out, you'll need to tap on this download icon. So click on download, and then once it's downloaded, it's automatically selected, and that's the current style that you're going to be seeing in the preview. If you don't like it, then you can always just go further down and look for something else and just do the exact same thing. Once you're ready to choose, just click on that select style and the changes should be applied. So then from here, you can then go even further by making the text in italics. You can underline them, you can make them bold. You can choose the case so either uppercase or lowercase or mixed. You can even change the color. So you can click on this drop down arrow next to color and then change it to however it is that you want to make it. You can even choose to add a keyframe, which means that whenever it reaches a certain point in the text, then you can add that keyframe and then the color can change. So for example, if I add the keyframe here, then I can change this color to something like blue or pink. And then I can move the timeline even further and then change the color again, so to something like green. Keyframe will be added, and I can just keep doing that throughout the whole text. And then now, whenever I play the video, whenever the text appears, it will start in that color and just keep shifting. So that's how you can customize the color. And then you can go even further and change the alignment. And if you have no idea how you're going to customize the text, and if you want to use a preset, then you can just come to these preset styles and choose one that suits your preferences. So you can just select one, and that's what should be applied to the text. And then you also have the option of scaling it up or scaling it down. You can even increase or decrease the opacity of the text, and it's completely up to you. And again, you can use the keyframes option so that you can do this to your liking, so you can have it fade in and out at certain areas. You can also choose to increase how long the text is going to be appearing on the video. So what you want to do is ensure that the text is selected, then use these handles to increase or decrease the duration of the text appearing on the video. So for me, I want it to appear until the end of the video, and the same on the other end like that. So now that however long the video is however long the text will appear. So you can now just play it and you can see how it looks like on my screen. And if you want to move the text around, if you don't like where it is currently, you can just ensure that the text is selected and just move it around on your screen using your mouse. So like that, and then just place it, and that's what the text will be for the duration of the video. If you want to have it moved around, then you'll need to use keyframes so that you can move it around to different places while you add a keyframe. So for example, if I want it to start at the bottom, then I need to move my timeline to the beginning of the video, like that. And then I need to select the video. Then I come to transform and click on add keyframe. And then that's when the video should be appearing. And then you'll notice that when you move even further along, you can click on the video again, add keyframe, then select the text and have the opacity decreased. And so that's how you can have it just move in and out in between the video. So it's completely up to you to customize how you want this text to appear on your project. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.